Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. We have a new kit in the blog and this is the Donor PO-8. Very interesting microphone. This microphone is 69 British pounds here in UK. And actually a few days ago, due to the spring sale on Amazon.com, this microphone was for 35 British pounds. You'll find this microphone on sale and double check for 35% or 50% discount coupon code, because this microphone is going to be on sale all the time. And I bought this microphone for 35 British pounds. This is amazing actually, because it's a dynamic microphone and it has a low cut filter, which I will press right now. So this is the low cut filter, which I think is alright, but makes my voice kind of tinny. But I think this will complement people if they have like a much bassier voice. My voice is not bassier, so I think I'm gonna switch it to the flat mode. Doesn't have any other switches, comes with a low cut filter. And now it's time to see the unboxing video, because this microphone comes with a lot of freebies. Let's see the unboxing video. Unboxing time. So let's see what comes in the box. We present it very well. The first thing that we can see is a very big, massive pop filter. This pop filter is gigantic. I don't mind it, but yeah, it's massive. Second thing that we have is a carrying pouch. This is a very good carrying pouch. It's from leather. Also, we have a user manual. Does anybody read that? Box number one, we have a very interesting windscreen foam. This thing is amazing quality actually. As you can see, it's very thick and it's gonna help you if you're outside. But yeah, very good quality. Box number two, we have all the goodies here. So we have 3 items. So let's start with the first item. So the first item actually is a shock mount, squeeze shock mount. This is a generic shock mount that comes with every microphone. The quality is not great, but is free. Comes with a 3/8 to 5/8 as well. Second item is the USB XLR port, which actually the quality is okay. And last but not least, we have another it's not a shock mount, it's a mount that you can use it for the bottom of the microphone. Last but not least, we have the star of the show, Mr. Donor PO-8. Yeah, okay, this is the microphone. As you can see, this is the low cut filter. The build quality is very good. Like I mentioned, this thing is very, very good. First impressions, I like it. And it's a little bit heavy, which is a good thing. Definitely great unboxing experience, Donor. Alright, so as you can see, this microphone comes with a lot of attachments. Some things that I want to point is that the big, massive pop filter, I don't know, it's very big. I wish they include something smaller that you can attach. You know, there's some interesting pop filter that they're exactly the same as the front of the microphone. This one is just massive. It just doesn't make sense to be in the unboxing, but hey, it's a freebie. It's good. It's free. Comes with the microphone. No complaining. Just saying that I wish they include something much better. Other than that, yes, you get a microphone stand, you get another small microphone stand, which I'm using right now. This for the bottom of the microphone, XLR cable, shock mount. It's a generic shock mount. We see these shock mounts everywhere. No complaining. I wish they include something more better quality. In terms of all the packaging, very good. Very good Donor. I think they did a very good job presenting this microphone. And it's $60-70. This microphone is Amazing because the price is very good. It's a dynamic microphone. Everybody's looking for dynamic microphones, especially these days now with the podcast world, should I say, because people try to make more podcasts and make sense. Everybody looking for dynamic microphones. So the packaging, well done. Build quality other side is very good. This thing is 1.8 kilograms. It's a little bit heavy, so this is a good thing. A little bit reminds me of the Rode Procaster, if I'm not wrong. Also a little bit reminds me of the RE20 from Electro Voice. But this is not a bad thing. I wish this microphone has maybe a different style. And also I wish we can see a USB port as well. That'll be great. I wish this microphone is a hybrid, because if you don't have an audio interface, this is a good start microphone, especially the price. The price makes a massive difference if you don't have an audio interface. This microphone is connected to my solid state logic. No post-processing is gonna be added. This is the raw audio from the microphone, which I think sounds very good, especially for the price. I know I say the price a couple of times, but think about it. For $70-$80 dynamic microphones, straight from the box with all the accessories, no brainer. Plus it's gonna be on sale over, again, check for deals for £35, £50. This is amazing price. So the build quality is great. I wish they like I mentioned in the beginning, they added a much better pop filter. The big one is just doesn't make sense. It's too big. I'm not gonna use it. The build quality is good. It's very good. It's all metal. Comes with all the attachments, and pretty decent microphone for the price. Let's talk about the sound now. The sound quality you're listening right now is very good. I highly recommend to use the headphones to hear it yourself. And I do like the sound quality. I think complements my voice very good. And now I'll demonstrate the proximity effect. As you can hear right now, I am on the top of the microphone, and I think we all know that we want this I don't know what I'm gonna say, radio vibe, and I think complements pretty well. Everybody's trying to reach the SM7B sound. This is not the SM7B, but it's a little bit closer, should I say. And the sound quality is very good. Definitely recommend that. Now let's try some plosives. Peter Jackson Piper. I don't know what I'm doing. Peter Piper, Peter Jackson. Peter Piper, Peter Jackson. So I think the plosive situation is pretty good. Overall, I'm quite happy about this microphone because, especially for the price, I think it's a very good microphone. Donner is okay, well-known brand. If you're looking for some guitar stuff, some musical stuff, I think it's very good. And I wish this microphone in the future comes with a different design, because the only thing, personally, I think I don't like is looks a little bit like a Rode Procaster, looks a little bit like a RE20, which this is not a bad thing. We don't want to copy other brands. I'm talking about you, Behringer. Remember a couple of years ago, Behringer, they did something very interesting. We know Blue Yeti microphone is super popular. They came with idea with the Bigfoot, I think it's called. So direct copy to Blue Yeti. I mean, I don't think they tried to copy RE20 and Rode, but I wish they came with a better design. And maybe next microphone, I don't know, we're gonna have a USB port. But for £35 for $70 for $80. This is a no-brainer. Definitely recommend this microphone. I don't get paid to say that. I bought this microphone with my own money and I like it. So there we have it, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to ask me some questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, record something beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.